Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Suara saya ada, Miss?
Iya, terdengar.
Right. Good evening, everyone. We are from Team Ike, and my name is Reza Rizandi, and my other member is Oksa Rizky Pratama, Isam Vidya Herlambang. In the next occasion, we will talk about trip to Singapore. Okay. Singapore is a vibrant city-state in Southeast Asia, known for its multiculturalism, stunning architecture, delicious food, and beautiful gardens. Next, be Isam.
Destination in Singapore. First destination, you can go to Chinese Garden. The Chinese Garden is a landscape garden style which has evolved over 3,000 years. Next, in the second destination, you can go to Sentosa Island. Sentosa Island, known mono, mostly as Sentosa and formerly Pulau Belakang Mati, is an island located off the southern coast of Singapore's main island. Next, third destination in Singapore, you can go to Universal Studio. Universal Studios Singapore is a theme park located within the Resorts World Sentosa Integrated Resort at Sentosa in Singapore. Next. Next destination, you can go to Garden by the Bay. The Gardens by the Bay is a nature park spanning 101 hectares in the central region of Singapore, adjacent to the Marina Reservoir. Next. Next destination, you can go to Jewel Changi Airport. Jewel Changi Airport, also known as Jewel or Jewel Changi, is a nature dam, entertainment, and retail complex surrounded by and linked to one of the passenger terminals of Changi Airport, Singapore. Next. Next destination in Singapore, you can go to Merlion Park. Merlion Park is a famous Singapore landmark and a major tourist attraction located at One Fullerton, Singapore, near the Central Business District. Next. Last destination in Singapore, you can go to National Gallery. The National Gallery Singapore, often known Exxon Mosley as the National Gallery, is a public institution and national museum dedicated to art and culture located in the Civic District of Singapore. Thank you. Sorry. How to get there? The first, you can use airplane or ship. Next, read by Okza.
Okay, thanks. The road with airplane. The first from Karawang to Soekarno Hatta Airport by car. The second From Soekarno-Hatta Airport to Jewel Changi Airport by airplane. The right from Jewel Changi Airport to destination by car. Next. The route with ship. The first from Karawang to Batam Center by car. The second from Batam Center to Singapore Harbor Front Center by ferry. The third from Singapore Harbor Front Center to destination by car. Next. Pass to 3. As for the points that must be tried among them. The first, mee siam. Mee siam is a dish of 10 rich vermicelli of hot, sweet, and sour flavor. Originates in Penang, both popular amongst the Malay and Peranakan. United Drugs, Peninsular, Malaysia, and Singapore. The second, wonton mee. The dish is popular in southern China, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. The dish usually consists of egg noodle served in a hot broth, garnished with leafy vegetable and wonton dumpling. The third, laksa is laksa Singapore. Laksa is a spice noodle dish popular in South Asia. Laksa consists of various type noodle, most commonly thick rice noodle with topping sauce and as chicken, prawn, or fish. Next, hospitality. Recommended hotel the destination. The first, Four Station Hotel Singapore. The second, the Barat Hotel Sentosa by Far East Hospitality. The third, Marina by Sands.
Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.